Ready? Start out like this. Paul's over there.
Boy, she's tiny.
Oh my. How tiny is this?
I know, you're like a little hamster.
I rolled on the couch.
Go get it. You're like a little hamster.
Fine. There. Over there. It's going this way. This way. You gonna take it? You gonna take it? Got it. Don't run away with it. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh, she dropped it.
Oh, you dropped it. Over here. Over here, silly. Silly goose. Ooh, you got it. I got you. Here we are. What's that? What's that? What's that?
I love her little hop. And she's excited. She does that little Mexican jumping bean hop. Maggie, stop.
Go get it. Go. It's over here. No, that's my toe. Over there. Over there. You got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, got it. I'm going to have to take it from you. I'm going to get you. Puss. Come here.
Yeah, look up here. Look up here. Hold on, let me get some reference to how big she is. Get her next to my hand.
Okay, next to your hand.
Well, that doesn't help a whole lot, I suppose. You still can't tell with this little
How
camera.
about next
But
to
she's
this
tiny.
teeny tiny tennis ball? This is about your middle finger and thumb together. See? And that's about how big her head is.
Come over here because it's so dark. It's getting too dark.
It's getting really late.
Hi, baby.
See? That's how big her head is. And this is only that big.
She's a tiny
She's a
girl.
tiny girl. Yes, you are.
Okay, let me take pictures of her now.
Okay, let's take pictures.
Wait, I want to see her jump like that again. That was funny.
Here. Ooh. Here. Like that.
I love her little jump. She is too funny. I know you could watch this for hours. Okay, let's take pictures of her.